In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you 2 ways to add employees to your bid sheets. To do this, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have a location selected. You must be in a location in order to work with bidding. Then choose Bidding. Next, select the shipped bid you would like to add employees to. You should arrive at your status page. Go to your new top menu bar and select Setup. From the drop-down menu, choose Employees. If you had any employees added to this shipped bid, you would see them here. To add an employee, click the Add button. First, select a station. Let's say I'm looking for cashiers. Then if I wanted, I could choose a crew. So I'll click this arrow. Maybe I only want to see my full-time cashiers. Then choose List. Now you will see a list of the employees who meet the criteria you have selected. If I wanted, I could choose an employee and then add them. Or I can choose All, and that will select all of the employees. To clear your selection, choose Clear. Let's say I want to add Gary. Then I can choose to add him to a specific group or not. I don't have groups set up, so I'm going to leave that on Any. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add this employee, click Close. I do, so I will choose Add. And now Gary has been added. Another way to add employees is by copying the employees you have in another shipped bid. To do that, click Copy. Then select a shipped bid you would like to copy employees from. I'll click this arrow, and I will choose Fall Leave. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add these employees, click Close. I do, so I will choose Copy. And now those employees have been added. That's how you can add employees to a shipped bid in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to edit and remove employees on a shipped bid.